Good morning, my green buddies. Here's a very common Indian spice, the clove. Cloves or Syzygium aromaticum are the rich, brown, dried, unopened flower buds of the clove plant. It is believed that cloves are native to the Spice Islands of Indonesia. The clove tree is an evergreen tree that grows up to 8 to 12 meters tall, with large leaves and crimson flowers grouped in clusters. Cloves grow best in warm and wet regions of the world. Their seeds are planted in well-drained, fertile, loamy soil and then proper care is to be taken. Look at these plants. They are quite delicate and must be treated gently. These trees take some good time to grow. After planting, a clove tree might begin blossoming in 6 to 10 years. They require a good amount of watering as well. Clove plants can be grown in containers, though they will not grow as tall as when planted outdoors. They are used in many different cuisines to prepare curries and marinades. Cloves are also used in traditional medicine. Essential oil is extracted from these plants. Clove can be used either whole or in a ground form for cooking and commonly flavor a variety of foods from sweet to savory. However, ground cloves may lose their flavor over time. The most popular health benefit of clove is that it is good for oral health and is often used in toothpaste. And their oil is used to cure toothache. They are rich in antioxidants as well. It controls diabetes and improves heart health. Cultivating a clove tree is a test of patience. But if you take good care of it, it can live up to 100 years. In fact, the clove tree that experts believe is the oldest in the world, named Afo, is on Ternate. The tree is between 350 and 400 years old. There are various varieties of cloves: Penang, Zanzibar, Amboyan and more. The name clove derives from the Latin word for nail, clavus, or the French word clou, meaning a nail. This is because of its shape. At our place, my papa also uses clove in his tea and lots of seafood as well. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and keep joining us for much more to follow.